Sorry
Diba?
tayo mga trees. Oops.
Oh, we're almost here.
Meron siyang cave.
Wow, grabe. Oh, amazing.
Careful. Wait.
Buyag.
Ito
Looks
siyang
so nice.
i-ano.
Ah, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, shoot. May mga baby bats. So look at that. Wow, look at that. Napag yung mga bats. So if you can see guys, muna siya maka-help form sa mga stalactites. So from underneath this mountain or hill, then flow mo ng water diri, then because of the minerals in the water, so mapurma siya exactly just like this. So magtulo siya nandun ang mga mineral mugahi. So imagine how long it took for these stalactites to form. Okay, so may ganin ay water source here. Oh, diba?